Alrighty, Appreneurs, Christopher Wilson here with the Mobimatic training, how to make a ride-sharing Uber type app. And actually, this is a demo of the app that I just made with images, backgrounds, and everything. So let's go ahead and show it. Let's see. And I gave it a name also, InstaRide. I think that's a nice name, InstaRide. But here it is, okay? And you can see we got an image for the background, load good. If you look down below, you got InstaRide, my account, tips calculator, surveys, and push notifications, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with it. And like I said, this is a full-fledged Uber type app. Works just like Uber, just like it, okay? Now, of course, like with Uber, you know, you have to put all of your privacy policies in place and set your rates, of course, and everything. But you can do that because Uber did it, okay? And if you need help with doing that, I'll show you how to get help and how to set up all that, the legal stuff, okay? When I was making this app, I had an idea. I said, listen, I'm gonna make a ride-sharing app. Just, you know, people can use cash sometimes. You know, of course, my wife said, no, you can't do that. You're gonna cause somebody to get robbed and killed. Because people do that, you know, and rob the driver. I'm like, yeah, that's right. You know, I had to tell her I didn't think of that. But anyway, yeah, but you can use this for different driving and delivery type services that you may think of. I mean, I know all of you out there are creative. You'll think of it to use for different things and so forth, like Uber Eats, DoorDash type apps, delivery type apps, but you can use this just like that, okay? But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Now, just like with Uber, your customers are gonna come to this screen. And I have this laid out, you know, with Mobimatic, you can choose different layouts. I got the layout at the bottom, okay? But I could put it on the side, actually. But let's go ahead and click InstaRide, set up an account, and I got an image there. You know, on your app, you can have a background image or not. But it says proceed, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and proceed. And we're going to enter an email and a password to go ahead and set up our account. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's see. Actually, it can be any kind of email, but you want it to be your email where they can send you your approval link and everything. But let's go ahead and try. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Uh-oh. Get off there, Facebook. Okay. Got that. Okay, let's put a password in here. Oh, stop it. I need to take that off my phone. Okay. Okay. And, oh, you know what? We have to create an account, right? We just can't log in. We have to create an account. Okay. I just put our first name there. Testing. Last name is Uber. No, testing InstaRide. Yeah, there we go. We got to start branding it. Right? Okay, email, password. I read and agreed to the privacy policy. Okay. And it's going to show you privacy policy. Of course, Uber does that, I believe. But anyway, make up your privacy policy. Or add your privacy policy, I should say. Okay. All right, then once it's red, okay, click your back button. If you'd like to see offers about services, yeah, you can do that too. Okay, go ahead and save. Okay, thanks for your registration. Okay, just like Uber. Okay, now, I'm surprised it didn't ask for a driver or passenger. But anyway, let's see, let's go ahead. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Now, do you want to be a driver or a passenger? Okay. Now, when you set this up inside of Mobimatic, it's best to set up the passenger first and then the driver. But let's just say I want to be a passenger. Okay. Okay. And then for driver, set up all your legal documents for driver, once you get it up and going. And for passengers, which is basically privacy policy. Okay. Okay, let's go passenger. Okay. But we actually have to get a driver too. So I may just go ahead and set up 2 accounts, but they're not going to work on the same app, I believe. But anyway, let's go ahead. And, okay, it's going to go to a pinpoint. And it's always going to start at France. Okay, I think. No, it's actually reading Google Maps. Okay. But let's put in something here. We're going to pick up at, let's see. Let's pick up at, I'm going to put an address in here. Pick up location where I want to be picked up. I'm going to blank that out. Okay. Okay, let's say whatever this address is. 4780 Old Dixie Highway. I don't know where that is. And I want to go to Walmart. So I think Walmart is like one in College Park. 14, I want to say 94. Anyway, just put in something. Okay, Jonesboro. Let's go to that one. Okay. Jonesboro, okay, that's where we want to go. Then you're going to see you go there, okay? Hit go, okay? It's going to ask you, we need more information before going any further. You can bypass that, or you can have the person enter those settings in, enter that information in, I should say. Let's see, 305. 3251. Just going to enter a phone number there. 73. Oh, I'm just entering stuff. 873 Old Dixie. Let's just see. I'm just entering something. Okay. It may actually try to pinpoint where that is, which is a good thing. Let's try Jonesboro. Okay. Zip code. Let's put a zip code in. Okay, country. We're going to use United States, of course. Well, I think we're going to have to use United States. And I think the map is going to try and pick it up to see if it's a legit place. Because sometimes people can, just enter false information. We'll see. And the state will be Georgia for me. And let's see, send. Okay. All right, now we can go. Okay. Now see, I have it set at use cash right now, but of course, you're gonna have to enter your Stripe details to set up your card processor. Okay, so to process credit cards. Yeah, and I wouldn't use cash for anything, but just to show that it does work. So we're just gonna say use cash. Okay. And let's see what happens. I believe it's going to say Okay. Choose the vehicle type. I want to drive in that Tesla right there. Okay. So I'm going to choose Tesla and confirm. Okay. And there you have it. You have your distance, 21 minutes. No driver available because I haven't set up a driver yet. Okay. And even then, you're going to have multiple drivers before it even show, destination points and so forth. But as you can see, it does work. Okay. We're sorry, but no driver was found by your request. Okay. But there it is. Okay. And actually what it's going to do is going to keep searching. Okay. If you do it again, it's going to keep searching. But of course, more rides. As drivers register for your app, their vehicle is going to show up here and so on. But it's going to work just like Uber. Oops. Try it again. Yeah. All right. So that's just a quick demo of InstaRide. Okay. And it does work. Okay. Now, here, I just pressed the hamburgers. You got my account settings, payment settings, and history. Okay. Which same thing Uber has. Same thing. So guess what? We made an Uber app, y'all. You wanted it. You want to know how to make it? And I showed you. Okay. And this is the demo as a result of it. And actually, if we go back, so you also have tips calculator. And I'm going to incorporate that inside, probably inside of probably my account. But anyway, yeah. But there's a tip calculator on it and a survey. You can rate your drivers, okay? And push notifications, of course. That's when you send your customers notifications about deals, okay? Free ride specials, whatever you want to have, okay? Like $5 off or whatever, whatever the special may be. Just look at an Uber app and see what deals they have, okay? So there it is. And I may put a couple more tabs on here just to show, but history, that's going to show the number of rides that you've taken. Okay. And, oh no, sorry. And let's see my account again. Let's pull that up. Oh no, go back. What was that? InstaRide. Okay, yeah, this is the original. Then hamburger again. Settings. Okay, that's your settings and everything, your address and so forth. But anyway, that is it. Okay, we made a full-fledged Uber app. So, Christopher Wilson, the mobile app mogul, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care.